Elon Musk tweets, Donald Trump speaks, and Bitcoin skyrocket to 100,000 K dollars. Bitcoin is the currency everyone talking about.
It's been a great journey since August 10th of 2020. MicroStrategy has bought about $8.3 billion worth of Bitcoin.
I think he realizes that every country in the world is embracing it, and people are running. I mean, look at where we are right now in Abu Dhabi.
I was a proud skeptic, and I studied it.
Not everyone convinced. Others like Warren Buffett call it Bitcoin is just a Ponzi scheme, while billionaires like Elon Musk call it future of finance. And giants like BlackRock are quietly jumping in.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Fair question. I'm a finance copywriter with over 4 years of experience. I specialize in simplifying complex topics, especially in Web3 and blockchain, so people like you can make smarter decisions. Enough about me, let's back to the video. In this video, we'll diving deep into the actual truth about Bitcoin. We'll tackle the burning question that keep you up at night. Should I invest now or wait? Am I already too late? Who should I trust in this debate? And finally, we'll break down exactly what's happening with Bitcoin right now. Stick around till the end because this isn't just another crypto video. This is your guide to making sense of Bitcoin buzz. Ready? Let's dive in. Why Elon and Donald Trump support Bitcoin? Sounds like the ultimate hype train, right? But let's flip the coin for a moment. On the other side of this story, we see the value of US dollar slowly declining. The big question arises, is Bitcoin a threat to US dollar status as a world reserve currency? Here is the truth. The US government has always strived to maintain its global power. Historically, this was backed by massive gold reserves, giving the dollar its dominance. But times are changing. The world is moving toward digitalization. And just as gold was once the foundation of monetary power, Bitcoin is emerging as digital gold. Why? Two reasons. First, the US dollar purchasing power has been steadily declining due to excessive money printing. The more cash the government generates, the less value each dollar becomes. This inflation-driven depreciation is a key factor driving influential figures like Elon Musk and, surprisingly, even Donald Trump to show interest in Bitcoin. Second, Bitcoin's decentralized nature possesses a direct challenge to the centralized power of traditional fiat currencies, especially the dollar. For figures like Musk and Trump, supporting Bitcoin isn't just about innovation, it's about protecting US power in rapidly shifting global economy. Without embracing Bitcoin or an equivalent alternative, the US risks losing its grip on economic dominance. In results, Bitcoin isn't just a financial revolution, it's a geopolitical one. Its rise signals a potential shift in how nationwide influence in 21st century, and for the US, this could either be an opportunity or a threat. Things get more interesting. BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, has entered the Bitcoin game with strategic approach by introducing Bitcoin-focused tools and initiatives like MicroStrategy. They are not just targeting big institutions. This move is calculated, played to attract millions of retail investors into the crypto space. I am totally amazed how this step wise is. Think about it. If retail investors flock to Bitcoin through these channels, it doesn't just boost Bitcoin value. It positions BlackRock as the ultimate bridge between traditional finance and new digital economy. The ripple effect. As Bitcoin adoption grows, BlackRock could end up a dominating investment landscape, not just in crypto, but across all financial markets by holding a large amount of Bitcoin. Retail adoption. They are setting themselves up to the potential become the number one stock for decade to come. This isn't just about Bitcoin anymore. It's about who control the future of global wealth, and BlackRock is making its move. Let's talk about Warren Buffett, the greatest mind in traditional finance. This legend has built their reputation and empires by focusing on tangible value, investing in companies with strong fundamentals, and steering clear of speculative bubbles. So why he called Bitcoin a Ponzi scheme? In the beginning, Buffett argues that Bitcoin lacks intrinsic value. Unlike stocks, bonds, or even real estate, Bitcoin doesn't generate cash flow, pay dividends, or produce goods. To him, Bitcoin is an asset that relies only on someone else paying more for it in the future, a classic hallmark of speculative bubbles. I respect him a lot, but Buffett comes from a school of thought that values stability and predictability. For him, the decentralized and volatile nature of Bitcoin goes against everyone they built their financial philosophies on. To him, Bitcoin rise isn't driven by real value but by hype and speculation. Whether you agree with his perspective or not, one thing is clear. His criticism highlights the divide between traditional finance and the emerging crypto economy. First things first, let's stick to one narrative here. Do your homework. I know there are plenty of so-called gurus out there giving you signals, claiming to know exactly where the Bitcoin or other asset is headed. But here is the reality. No one has told you. You and me, we all have a different relationship with money. Let's take a quick trip back to 2009, a time when Satoshi Nakamoto's groundbreaking invention Bitcoin was born. Back then, it was just an idea, a white paper that sparked curiosity, but fast forward today, and after all, the hurdles, challenges, and breakthroughs, Bitcoin price has scored today $100,000. If you think you are too late to that Bitcoin game, think again. Let's take a look at this chart. What we are saying here is gold being replaced by what many are calling digital gold. Bitcoin isn't just a trend, it's part of larger financial evolution, and it's not too late for you to be a part of it. Start small, like with 10% of your total portfolio, and see where it takes you in the next few years. This isn't get rich quick scheme, it's a long-term game, where steady growth and patience can lead you to big rewards. I hope this video gave you some valuable insights and helped answer your burning questions. If you enjoyed this content, subscribe for YouTube algorithm or any queries, let me know in the comments. See you in the next video.